Welcome to our next group challenge. Here it is, the 1st of July, and I'm really going to stretch myself and make this lion in monochrome, and I'm not sure whether it's going to be a tabletop or a Lazy Susan or a picture, but I'll know that once I start to cut it out and what sort of vibes I'll get from it. I've already cut out a piece of ceramic wall tile and it's really soft and I don't really like it. I think I might go back to these Bunnings tiles that are hard and, well, harder still to cut, and that will mean that I'll have to adapt this stained glass pattern to meet this size. The other disadvantage of these wall tiles is that they're really, because they are soft, they can break, and you can break with various other pliers, but it's very hit and miss. It's too soft for me, or I can't really do it that well. My friend is really good at it. And when I nip it, it sort of crumbles and just creates a terrible mess, and on the grinder, it's even worse. So I think I will definitely go to these harder ones. Made in Malaysia. Don't get fooled by the other tiles they've got now, which are soft and horrible. I bought some yellow ones. They were just terrible. So with the monochrome here, my learnings are going to be making something out of ceramic tiles. I've not really done that, so that's my really big stretch. The other really big stretch for me here is converting this into a pattern suitable for what we're going to do, but also converting it and not wanting to say, oh, I'm going to do it in glass because that's my easy space. Wouldn't be a challenge if it was easy. And of course the go-to Montolits. I love these for crockery and for ceramics. Check out how easy this is to cut. If I pop that there, and look how thick that is. This is me with, I couldn't do it before. I had no hope of doing this before. These wheel nippers mean I can do it. But let's check out the ceramic scissors while I'm at it. Just in case you need to think about tools. Remember the ceramic scissors, I've got a space here to put on the edge to cut. Let's see how well they do. So if you've got those, they're brilliant. What about the SEABELL, I call them side biters, I think they're called, I don't know, ceramic tile cutters or something, and if I put that there to cut, these should be pretty good as well. Oh, excellent. So no need, if you've got these tools already, no need to rush out and buy any. The other tool you might want to use is a scorer to score yourself some lines against which your nippers can help break off nice and smoothly. You don't need to sell a body part to get one of these top end scorers. You can get this one, which is pretty impressive, and it comes with 3 different size heads. It's like a really reasonable price. I think I paid about $22 or something like that for this one from 19 Mosaics. It's just brilliant. Then there are the, what are they called, pistol grips. I can't use the standard pistol grip because I don't have the grip for it. The thumb doesn't work really well. But this pistol grip that comes with the little green monster is awesome for me, or something similar to that, and it's working out what suits your hand and cutting, scoring movement better. What other learnings? Patience. But really stretching outside yourself and doing something really different, and then when you're done feeling really proud that you achieved what you perhaps in the past didn't think you could achieve. There's been some great successes so far in the group challenge. Any questions, please pop them down as a comment.